Hi everyone. In this video you will learn how to open a web page when you will click on an image. So basically an image will act as a link. As you can see, I got an image here. Now when I will click on this image, it will take me to google.com. So let's click on it. And you can see we got google.com here. So this is what we'll try to achieve in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. I already got an image file here, image.jpg. Let's create an index file, index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Here we need a div element. We need an anchor element here. href will be google.com. Target will be blank. Inside this we'll use image element. Remove the alt attribute. Source will be image.jpg. Save it. Now create a style sheet here. Style.css. Select body element. Background color will be dark cyan. Select div element. Text align will be center. Select image element. Height will be 350 pixels. Same goes width 350. Border will be 2 pixel solid black. Border radius will be 5 pixels. Save it. You only need this piece of code to make an image act as a link. Now open this file in the browser to see the output. And there's the output. Now let's click on this image to see if it is working or not. And you can see it is working. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you next video. Have a nice day.